The Men Who Touched the Bottom of the World, a snapshot of Project Nekton. This black and white photograph captures a quiet moment of pride and anticipation before one of humanity's greatest exploratory triumphs. Posed on a sun-drenched dock, a team of men, a mix of uniformed U.S. Navy personnel and civilian scientists and technicians, stand before their remarkable vessel. Looming behind them is not a warship, a conventional submarine, but the bulbous, almost otherworldly form of the bathyscaphe Trieste. The handwritten note in the upper corner, likely intended to read Nekton Team, identifies these individuals as the unsung heroes of Project Nekton, the audacious U.S. Navy mission to send humans to the deepest known point on Earth. The star of the image, the Trieste, dominates the frame. Designed by the Swiss physicist Auguste Piccard and acquired by the U.S. Navy in 1958, it was a unique craft. Unlike a submarine, a bathyscaphe, from the Greek words for deep and ship, was essentially an underwater balloon. The enormous cylinder seen here was its float, filled with thousands of gallons of gasoline, which is less dense than water and incompressible, to provide buoyancy. Slung beneath this massive float, but not visible in this, was the most critical component, a 2.16-meter, 7-foot diameter, heavily fortified steel sphere, designed to withstand the crushing pressure of the abyss. The men in the photograph represent the immense collaborative effort required for such an undertaking. They are the engineers who maintained the complex systems, the sailors who operated the support vessel, and the scientists who prepared the instruments for a journey into a world less known than the surface of the moon. Their varied attire, from the crisp naval uniforms to practical work shirts and shorts, speaks to the fusion of military discipline and scientific inquiry that defined Project Nekton. They stand together, a unified team on the precipice of history. This photograph was likely taken in Guam in late 1959 or early 1960, as the team made final preparations for their ultimate goal. Suspended from a heavy gantry crane, the Trieste is ready to be deployed for its historic dive. The atmosphere captured is one of calm focus, believing the extreme danger of their mission. On January 23, 1960, two men would climb into the cramped pressure sphere of the Trieste: Jacques Piccard, the designer's son, and U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh. Over 5 hours, they descended nearly 11,000 meters, almost 7 miles, into the Challenger Deep, a trench within the larger Mariana Trench. When they touched down on the silty sea floor, they had achieved the impossible, proving that no part of the ocean was beyond human reach. They spent 20 minutes in a world of absolute darkness and immense pressure, over 1,000 times that at the surface, observing the environment and, to their astonishment, life in the form of a flatfish. While Piccard and Walsh became the celebrated faces of this achievement, this photograph serves as a powerful reminder of the broader team. It immortalizes the collective human ingenuity, courage, and dedication that turned a fantastic dream into a profound reality. Each man standing here played a role in pushing the boundaries of exploration, contributing to a legacy that continues to inspire deep-sea science and discovery to this day. This is more than just a group photo. It is a portrait of the pioneers who opened up the planet's final frontier.